Hello people, welcome one and all to Jojo's Learning Club.
So let's do with subtraction. While performing subtraction, you apply the same rule as in addition. For example, when you take a number 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4, same rule applies as addition. You have to take the LCM of both the numbers. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So you have to multiply these numbers in such a way that their denominators are of the same value. So let's take it. 2 by 3 times 4 times here again 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 times 3, here 3. So 8 minus 3 by 12, 5 by 12. So this is how you perform subtraction with fractions. Now let's do another example. 3 2 by 3 minus 1 1 by 2. Okay, so let's, as I said, when you have a mixed fraction or a mixed number, then you have to write it in terms of improper fractions to perform calculations. So let's write it in terms of its improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 by 3 minus 1 times 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2. Again here, their denominator values are different. So we know that 3 and 2 both are prime numbers and they don't have any common multiples. So you can just directly multiply it and write 6. Again, to make the denominator same value, you have to multiply with 3, here 3 and here 2, 2. So 22 by 6 minus 3 times 3 is 9, 9 by 6. So 22 minus 9 by 6, which is 13 by 6. So when you have an improper fraction, then you have to cut it down and write it in terms of mixed number. So for that, again take it here, 13 by 6, 6 times 2 is again 12, 1 is a reminder. So you have to write in terms of integer plus a proper fraction, which is nothing but 2, 1 by 6. So this is the final answer. And this is how you perform subtraction with fractions. Now let's do some multiplication with fractions. Multiplication with fractions. A by B times C by D. So A by B is a fraction and C by D is another fraction. When you want to do multiplication, you can either do A times C, so that is AC, by B times D as BD. So you can just directly multiply the numerator and the denominator and the denominator. Other one thing is that when you do multiplication, you can also perform cancelling to make it into the smallest fraction. Either you can divide the common multiples of A and B and just cancel it down, or you can just cancel the common multiples of A and D. When you cancel from the A and D, then it is called as cross cancelling, or when you do it directly, then it is termed as direct cancelling. Let's do some examples of it. 1 by 4 times A by 7. Okay, so we know that 4 and 8. Here, this is what cross cancelling. They are both multiples of 4. So you can write it as 2. So 1 by 1 times 2 is 2, 2 by 7. Let's do another problem. 3 1 by 3 times 7 1 by 4. As I said, for performing any calculations using fraction, first you have to convert the mixed number into their smallest fraction or into their improper fractions. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 by 3. Again here, 7 times 4, 28, 28 plus 1, 29. 29 by 4. As you know that, okay, just 1 we can convert it. Let's see, these both are divisible by 2, 2 and here 5. So you know that 29 times 5 by 3 by 10. So what is 29 times 5? I have to check it. 45, 5 times 2, 10, 14. So 145, 145 by 6. So is this a final answer? No. You have to convert again this in terms of mixed numbers. So for that, let's do calculation. 45 by 6, 6 times 2 is 12. Again, you have a reminder 25. So 6 4s are 24. Again, you have reminder 1. So you can write it as 24 plus 1 by 6, or simply 24 times 1 by 6. So this is how you perform multiplication with fractions. Now let's explore some with division too. So A by B divided by C by D. So when you perform fractions with two numbers, you can either multiply and you can also represent in terms of A by B times the inverted number D by C. So this is same as this one. So let's do some examples for it. 1 by 7 divided by 1 by 14. Okay? So let's do it. So this also you can represent it as 1 by 7 times 14 by 1, and now we know that both 7 and 14 are multiples of 7, so you can just cancel it down and you can write it as 2 by 1 or simply 2. So this is the example for division, and this is how you perform division with fractions. Let's do another one with a mixed number. 3 1 by 2 plus divided by 4 1 by 3. So as I said, as in multiplication, addition and subtraction, when you get a mixed number, then you have to convert it in terms of its improper fractions. So 3 times 1 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1, 7 by 2, divided by 3 times 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 3. And now you can write in terms of its multiplication form by inverting it, 3 by 13. So we know that 7 times 3 is 21. And 2 times 13 is 26. So this is improper fraction. This is a proper fraction and you don't have to do anything. So this is the final answer. And this is how you perform calculations using fractions.